China's Unitree Robotics is rapidly advancing the field of humanoid robotics, and its latest developments, especially with its dancing robots, have captured global attention. Unitree has created a series of robots, including the A1, that exhibit remarkable agility, precision, and flexibility, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in robotic mobility. These robots are equipped with advanced AI algorithms and a range of high-performance sensors, which allow them to perform dynamic movements such as running, jumping, and most notably, dancing. This blend of technical sophistication and artistic expression showcases the potential of robots to interact with humans in more engaging and creative ways. The dancing robots produced by Unitree are not just about entertainment, though. They represent a significant step forward in the practical applications of humanoid robots. Unitree's robots can perform intricate, synchronized dance routines with fluid motions, demonstrating the robot's ability to maintain balance while executing complex movements. This is made possible through the integration of cutting-edge control systems and advanced actuators, which allow these robots to move with remarkable precision and fluidity. The robot's agility is comparable to that of a human dancer, allowing them to perform backflips, spins, and other challenging maneuvers, showcasing a leap in both robotic mobility and control. These performances go beyond just visual spectacles. They reveal the underlying advancements in AI and robotics that allow for smoother, more coordinated movement. This is crucial for the practical applications where fluid and dynamic motion is necessary. Beyond their performance capabilities, Unitree's robots are built to excel in real-world environments. They are designed to navigate difficult terrain, avoiding obstacles and adapting to different conditions in real time. This makes them ideal candidates for applications where human-like agility is necessary, such as in logistics, security, and search and rescue operations. Unitree robots can autonomously map out their surroundings, detect obstacles, and plan their movements, which allows them to function in unpredictable environments. Unitree's robots also have the potential to revolutionize industries beyond entertainment and service. For example, in logistics, their robots could be used to carry out repetitive tasks like package delivery. With their ability to handle fragile items and perform tasks that require delicate maneuvering, these robots are ideal for industries like electronics, pharmaceuticals, and high-end manufacturing, where precision is key. Furthermore, their ability to navigate complex environments without human intervention can reduce operational costs, improve efficiency, and ensure safety in industries that rely on automated processes. This level of versatility is what sets Unitree's robots apart from traditional robots used for simple repetitive tasks. In healthcare, Unitree's robots could play a pivotal role by assisting healthcare professionals in performing tasks that are physically demanding or require significant precision. Their ability to move with agility and precision makes them perfect candidates for patient assistance, such as delivering medications, helping patients with mobility, or supporting medical staff during operations. By integrating advanced AI and robotics, healthcare facilities could reduce human labor for routine tasks, allowing professionals to focus on more complex, specialized care. Furthermore, humanoid robots with the ability to engage in human-like interactions could also assist with elderly care. The company's focus on humanoid robotics is not only aimed at developing robots that can perform mechanical tasks, but also those that can interact and collaborate with humans. The robot's fluid motion and human-like abilities in navigating their environment make them ideal candidates for customer service roles. Personal assistance. The ability for these robots to communicate, react, and engage with people naturally can enhance the customer experience, whether in retail environments, entertainment venues, or even educational settings. The idea of robots becoming assistants that not only handle tasks, but also interact socially with people is a major step forward in making technology more accessible and less intimidating. As robotics technology continues to evolve, robots like those from Unitree could become an integral part of our daily lives, assisting in both practical tasks and social interactions. These robots are a glimpse into a future where humanoid machines are not just tools, but also collaborators that augment human capabilities and make life easier. Unitree's robots are being engineered to be more than just functional. They're being developed to work alongside humans in both practical and creative roles. As these robots continue to evolve, we may see them playing an increasingly prominent role in various industries, pushing the boundaries of human-robot collaboration. In addition to their performance capabilities, Unitree's robots are continually advancing in their AI and control systems, which are designed to enable autonomous learning and adaptation. This makes them capable of performing increasingly complex tasks without human intervention. By incorporating machine learning, these robots can not only execute pre-programmed tasks, but can also adjust their behavior based on new information, allowing them to respond in real time to dynamic situations. Whether it's adapting to a new environment or improving the efficiency of an ongoing task, the continuous learning aspect of Unitree's robots is what makes them particularly promising in fast-paced, ever-changing environments. Unitree's rapid progress in humanoid robotics is part of a larger trend where robots are becoming not only functional, but creative, agile, and responsive. As the company continues to push the boundaries of what robots can achieve, they are helping to shape a future where humanoid robots are not just tools, but intelligent machines capable of creative and meaningful interactions with humans. These advancements in AI and robotics signal a future where humanoid robots could become a ubiquitous part of society. The integration of AI and robotics will undoubtedly transform industries, and with robots like Unitree's, we're seeing just the beginning of how these innovations will impact society in the years to come. By combining high-performance engineering with advanced artificial intelligence, Unitree is leading the way in creating humanoid robots that can perform in a wide range of settings, from entertainment to high-tech manufacturing environments. Their robots represent the next step in the evolution of robotics, and as they continue to advance, it's likely we will see them taking on more complex roles in both the workforce and our everyday lives, offering new opportunities for automation, innovation, and human-robot collaboration. Unitree's robots are making a lasting impact, creating a foundation for humanoid robotics that will shape the future of both technology and society.